360.
Good morning. Another beautiful day. Oh, it's so windy. I don't know if you can hear me. We are heading out in the boat to the other cottage because it is Family Olympics Day. So we have this thing where every year we play like a game. So last year it was Survivor. The first year was Olympics, so we kind of just call it Family Olympics. But, wow, it's so loud. We're going to do that right now with everybody. And then sadly, Natalie and Jordan leave today. But we still have, how long do we have?
A few more days.
A few more days, which is so nice. Such a nice, been a nice trip. Are you having a good time? Mm-hmm. Last night, I wish I had the camera out. It was hilarious. Oh, we were just trying to figure out sleeping situations, and it ended up being like everyone was so tired, we were laughing, everything was funny. But yeah, so we're gonna head in the boat, go across the lake, and start a very fun day. Cool dude.
Can you just do a quick vlog of me?
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now.
Jordan looks so cool with his tattoo.
Yes, the world is hearing you.
Guys, I'm just here to ask the question. What is life about?
What is life about?
Life of Laura-Lee is getting way deeper, guys. Season 2 is going to get way deeper.
I'm gonna try and flip you off.
Okay.
Not.
Aaron tried.
Did you hurt yourself? Ooh. Goodness, our family, what's going on this weekend?
Yeah, they're out there. Just like that.
How to be an umpire 101 with Aaron Cooper.
When they have a real good strikeout and they need to know they got beat.
Emily, you're blue or yellow, wherever you are. Pick a blue or a yellow one.
I'll be yellow.
What am I drawing out?
Just for somebody to be on the next team.
Your head, your arm, your leg, whatever.
Aaron!
Go on. You picked your own?
I'm that talented.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mike.
So, you want red or green?
You're blue?
Guys, I'm not gonna cheat this year, I swear.
And I'm green. Yeah, Aaron cheated last year.
You're going to have 2 players go at a time.
There he is.
So if you say Andrew and Laura-Lee, you're going to have 4 balls each.
Our next game.
And he's going to go to the number that the dice goes. If he rolls a 6, great, he goes to X. Oh, YouTube.
YouTube!
Yeah, that one.
Yay! just finished lunch and we're probably gonna play one more family game. Pretty sure my team is winning. And then we're gonna swim because look how beautiful this looks. And look, there's some swans. Oh, and Andrew's gonna go swimming. It's so hot. We all jumped in, but he couldn't find his bathing suit. She is kicking up a storm out there. Jump in. You should just jump. Well, you have a life jacket. You're not gonna sink. It's so nice when you just let yourself go. There you go. So hot. Oh, wow. There's nothing there. Ah, there's a bug. Woo! It is toasty, roasty out here. Bye. Bye. Going.
Only down and now.
I know. Going home. We are back at the cottage now, and all the blinds are shut because we have AC a blastin' for tonight. We are going to go to this burger joint, like almost an hour away. I'm so hungry. And have dinner. Hopefully they have gluten-free buns because I am just starving. And we got some good sun. I got some good tan today. It was really fun. Did you have a good day today? The games were so fun that my aunt did. It was so fun. You having a good time?
Great time.